Today is March 23rd, 2020, and as many of you probably already know, coronavirus has kind of spread and we are doing all that we can by staying indoors. And now there's been a shortage of medical supplies, including medical masks. So I really wanted to do my part and spread the word to as many people as I could. And I wanted to do a tutorial on a couple types of masks that you can make at home and donate to your local hospitals. You can call them up and ask them how you can donate them. You know, if you can drive up and do a 6 feet distance type of thing, that's definitely a way to do it. But just call your local hospital and figure out what is best for them, what their needs are with these masks, you know, what they need to be made out of. For Cincinnatians, there is a Facebook group, I'll put it right here. They are asking for 100% cotton masks. And I also know that there is a shortage of elastic. So there are patterns that I'm going to show you that do not use elastic. So let's get sewing. I'm going to be using this pattern, which I got online. I will put the link to this pattern below, but it is one pattern piece. And just in case you don't have a printer or anything, you just have paper and pen at home, you can definitely make this pattern yourself at home. This is an old tablecloth that my mom had. This is the perfect opportunity for you guys to kind of like look through your old fabrics or remnants or even clothes that you don't wear anymore and figure out what fabric works.